Love you, Saga and Tomato. What's that? Love you, your baby, Embala. What's mommy? Love you, your baby, Embala. Wallahi, President, I love you, 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 100% President.
We've made history in this very place, you guys. Allow me come back next year as we celebrate 10 years of Spice. Before we get to happy birthday. Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Dear Spicy. Thank you. Thank you. You're the first person I saw so My birthday is next month. Actually, not next week. This month. The October baby. Thank you very, very, very much. On October baby, I want a happy birthday to you. But like I was saying, next year, allow me come back and celebrate with you 10 years of Spice, Diana. Come on, baby, come on, my body, oh, to your body. Come on, non-stop DJ. Come on, I'm gonna fix for makeup, Spice, Diana. What's up with a bomb of a Taliban? So they fight the fire back. Since inside you, what's up with a bomb of a say what up? I love us. So simple. We know Buganda. Si Charlie single. Kumbano Shashuto. Actually so simple. Spicy gadgets, you have I love you guys. Charlie single, Nina Muchi, Charlie single. Spice Diana, hey, I want the meeting. Give me a push right. Let's go. I want to hear you sing for Shukran. Thank you, darling. Yangu tukaimbe tena. Bambi sagala mulala.
Spicy Nana, love you, your baby, Emmala. Spicy Mami, love you, your baby, Emmala. Wallahi, Spicy Nana, I love you, 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 100%. Spicy Nana, I love you, I love you.
I love you too. Katandi musonda nechirara nyole chenda nyabo
Spicy. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
My sweet.
So much.
My sweet.
My heart.
I love you.
My everything. Come on, Spice gadgets. Masina chako. Onana balero no. Onana in the name of the Father, we meant to be together, wherever they can say whatever. In the name of the Father, come on, we meant to be together. Hey, wala fiteneza ni wena kunda mina kupenda wewe ni bora kuliko mulo omusajja mamutwala tayagala newe nani badeze oye kanzije kusanga awo tofaayo kankusanga awo linda neba nakugamba ntakupenda mama nakugamba ntakubi wakikutakuta tugende weni baby weni mwati unaogame mkwano weni walai weni Spice gadgets weni I met this girl right here in this same place. Was it Kacheche's concert? And I gave her my shoes, I gave her my watch. I forgot to bring her the charger. But I came back to bring the charger. Yes, by the way, my government in a charger. I brought the charger, by the way. You have it? Thank God, thank God. Thank you for loving Spice. I really appreciate. And to every Spice gadget out there. Oli team Shukuran, Oli team Kacheche, Oli team Reiji, Oli team Temumbo, Demunjagade, with many history in this very place, you guys. Allow me come back next year as we celebrate 10 years of Spice. Before we get to happy birthday. Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Dear Spicy, thank you.
Happy birthday, Imatra.
Thank you. You're the first person I saw kumpe chilabo. My birthday is next month. Actually, not next week. This month. The October baby. Thank you very, very, very much. On October, baby, I want a happy birthday to you. But like I was saying, next year, allow me come back and celebrate with you 10 years of Spice Diana. Because Ankole has been part of my 10 years. I'm so proud of you guys. I'm so proud of myself. You've made my journey so beautiful. Kachech can witness that. Isn't it? Tewali Wasinga Kunjagalanga Western region. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. But when Sijeno, not so receiving Nkoko, someone bought me Nkoko to my hotel. Abalane bampevi bitu binjinyo embuzi omuzigo obumonde. Now this is now another surprise. You guys are just killing me with surprise. Wako musajja, nemumunsi chako, nemupo mulala kacheche, naine bamuntwalako. Okay, hold on, Wanji. Asia.
Yeah.
Okay. But is this my hair?
Yeah, really. This is your hair.
Okay.
Yeah, I use this.
Okay.
I collect them from the street and stuff, and I do something like this, except the environment.
Wow. Thank you very much.
Because there's a saying that says,
Gambori
Nyankole wano.
Gambori Nyankole.
Gambori Nyankole.
Nibajira, ugenda kwitu, obabazizo bakunanga, oba kunanga.
Ukosana mizi.
Ugenda.
Na ata mizi.
No, ugenda.
Okay.
Auntie Amizi, yeah, like yes, no. It's like our thing with the Ankole people, okay? So we have to apply it everywhere.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Ladies, you know what I'm talking about, eh?
Higher.
So, Spice Diana, this is a portrait. And I have a portrait in a studio, Makanisi Street.
Ati gambe namba yawe simu wakutelezi wagondo wakuna kebya Spice. Gambe namba yesimu yawe. Shome namba yesimu wakusupporting. Namba yawe simu.
Supporting. 0755
Yes.
878871.
Thank you.
Are you single?
Yeah, I'm single.
Just in case you need some
Okay.
I'm single. Spice Diana, I want you to support. Yeah.
I'm gonna talk to Kacheche. We see how we can do more than just, giving out the number.
That's right. Okay.
Thank you very much. I appreciate. Thank you.
Tukambire huko watu wafuna kuze mwezi
16 November.
Yeah.
Omuyimbi wafe.
Tipo.
Omuyimbi weitu.
Yes.
Tipo.
Mwana wakakuba.
Mujemo muwagire.
University in.
Wano wenyini. Nemo University in nga mutinafuiza.
Tugenda jikubambaka.
People. And then on the 30th still. Levixon.
Musumba.
Support him as well.
Yes,
thank you very much. Temuko watu supporting abambi mwini. Nyo. DJ, are you ready?
Okay.
Like I'm No triangle, what's the one? Hey, that's the triangle. Ladies, that's the triangle. Kamata, my body. Kamata, my baby, kamata. My body. Oh, to your body. Come on. Non-stop DJ. Come on, I'm never fit for my God. Spice girl, now. Come on, let's go. What's up with a bomb with a Taliban? So they fire before your boss. And since it's shining up in your hand. What's up, come about? Say where to go. Where to go? Oh no, where to go? Come on, if you're ready. Say this out. You're ready, cause you know I'm ready. You're ready, now you're ready when you're ready. Come on. You're ready, cause you know, I'm ready when it's ready. If I go down longer, if you're ready, so now I'm ready. Let's go. You're ready, now you're ready when you're ready. Let's do that Brand B. To the ladies, let's go. Come on. I love you, ma. Spicy Diana, Simulacro. I love you so much, Kamilke Zimbarara. Ibakunda Mononga, Jakoma Wonachi. I want to see you January. But you will take Kampala Serena Hotel in Akuzomwezinga Kuminja Kuvayo celebrating 10 years. Journey of Spice Diana. Nimba Kunda Mononga, thank you so much. Thanks for supporting Shukuru Rwanda.